Welcome to Spagtastic. In this lesson we are going to learn how to use conjunctions to express time, cause and place. This is a level 3 skill. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word that is used to join parts of a sentence together. A conjunction can go in the middle of a sentence or at the start. Let's look at an example of a conjunction used in the middle of a sentence. I ate my breakfast before I went for a bike ride. In this sentence, the conjunction before joins the two ideas in the sentence together. A conjunction can also go at the start of a sentence. For example, before I went for a bike ride, I ate my breakfast. In this example, the conjunction before has moved to the start of the sentence, and the ideas in the sentence are in a different order. Conjunctions for time are also known as time conjunctions, and they are words that tell us when something happened. They include words like before, after, during, later, then, and while. Here are some examples of sentences that use time conjunctions. In this first example, Mum read a book while I did my homework. The time conjunction while is used in the middle of a sentence. While is used to show two things that happen at the same time. If we want to, we can move the conjunction while to the start of the sentence. So our sentence changes to, while I did my homework, Mum read a book. We still have the same information, it is just in a different order. In the next example, the time conjunction after is used. I went home for tea after my piano lesson. Here the conjunction after is used in the middle of a sentence. If we want to, we can move after to the start of a sentence, so our sentence changes to, after my piano lesson, I went home for tea. We can also use conjunctions to express place. These conjunctions are where and wherever. Let's look at some examples of using conjunctions for place. We can use wherever in the middle of a sentence. For example, Tom takes his mobile phone with him wherever he goes. Or we can put wherever at the start of the sentence. For example, wherever he goes, Tom takes his mobile phone with him. Now we are going to learn about using the conjunction where. We can use where at the start of a sentence. For example, where we went on holiday, there was a long sandy beach. Or we can move it to the middle of a sentence. There was a long sandy beach where we went on holiday. It doesn't matter whether you choose to use a conjunction in the middle of a sentence or at the start, but it's a good idea to have variety to make your writing more interesting. We are now going to learn about using conjunctions for cause. They are used to show how or why something happens and to connect causes or reasons with results. Common cause conjunctions include because, so that, so, since, as, and due to. Here are some examples. Since our local park closed, we have to travel to another park. The conjunction since is used here to show that we have had to change the park we use as a result of the local park closing. In another example, it was raining heavily, so I wore my waterproof coat. The conjunction so is used to show that one thing happens as a result of another. I wore my coat because it was raining. Here is a summary of our learning about conjunctions. We can use conjunctions in our writing to express time, cause and place. Using a range of conjunctions makes a piece of writing more interesting to read.